In this video, I'll show you how to create a README file for GitHub in 2026. Start by signing in to your GitHub account and opening the repository where you want to add a README file. If you're creating a brand new repository, you can also create the README during the repository setup process by selecting the option that says Add a README file. If your repository already exists and doesn't have a README, open the repository and click the Add File button near the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Create New File. In the file name field, type readme.md. The .md extension stands for Markdown, which is the formatting language GitHub uses for README files. Once you're inside the editor, start adding information about your project. Begin with a title by typing a hashtag symbol, followed by your project name. This creates a main heading. On the next lines, write a short description explaining what your project does and why someone might want to use it. Next, add sections that help visitors understand your project. You can create headings using two hashtag symbols for section titles. Common sections include features, installation, usage, and contributing. Under each section, add simple instructions and details that explain how the project works. After that, use Markdown formatting to make the README easier to read. You can create bullet lists using dashes, add code blocks using 3 backticks, and create links by using Markdown link formatting. GitHub automatically renders these elements into a clean and professional layout. Now, review everything you've written. Make sure the project description is clear and that all instructions are easy to follow. A good README should help new users understand the project without needing extra explanations. Once you're finished, scroll down to the Commit Changes section. Enter a short commit message such as Add README File and click Commit Changes. GitHub will save the file and immediately display it on the main page of your repository. After the push is complete, the README will appear in your repository automatically. Finally, keep your README updated whenever your project changes. Adding installation steps, examples, screenshots, and frequently asked questions can make your repository more useful and easier for others to understand. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a README file for GitHub in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.